Yo, hi guys. Story time, ne? Yo, I'm shaking. Guys, please be safe. Like, guys, please be safe. In those who live in Florida, Florida Park, Florida North, in Florida, Rodiport, in West Rand side. Kalikupa, guys, please be safe. Yo, didn't these people almost mug me? I don't know if they wanted to mug me or they wanted to kidnap me. I don't know what was going on. Okay, I had to run some errands, ne? So I go to the shop that I'm going to. I get there, I do whatever that I had to do, and then I'm walking. So as I'm walking, I'm like, okay, let me just go to F&B and just take out some cash, right? So I'm walking and walking and walking. I'm not actually minding anybody because I have headphones on, like trying to ignore abantu and stuff. Sharp fine. Ngifike mina e-F&B yabo. Kahle kahle ngibona abantu bayangilandela, a woman and a man. And I'm not like paying much attention because there's like a lot of people there. So I'm not paying much attention to that, right? Sharp fine. Ngene mina e-F&B, do what I'm doing, take out my cash. Ngiphume e-F&B ngidibana nabo, like, yeah, you. And then yo guys, we are not safe. Like, honestly, we are not safe. And then I'm like, let me just pass by Clothing Junction, just look for something like Bengfuno Park. Just wanted like flip-flops, right? And then okay, mase ngiphuma angibathola labo phaqa engibafunayo, and I'm like, no, it's fine, ngizothenga problem some other time. And I'm like, okay, let me just go, yabo. Mangiphuma labantu engidibane nabo, the people that I met as I like was coming from F&B, they just entered the store, and it was suspicious because the man was looking at me like this, and they were talking with eyes with the woman through their eyes. They were kuluma. Guys, forgive my English. I'm very shaken, yeah. And then okay, I'm like, okay, let me see if these people are actually following me because I've been seeing them since Lepezulu, right? And then I get inside this China shop, right? And I'm like, okay, let me see. I stand there, like, now I'm shaking. I'm standing there and I'm standing there. How? Main Puma. As I was going out, they go inside. They are talking and talking, like, guys, that's when I confirmed these people are following me. I didn't want to cause a scene. I ran back to the Clothing Junction shop because I know the people in that shop, and I asked that lady, can you just board me home? Can you just help me board me home? I want to go home. I'm not safe. I'm being followed. She's like, let me see these people. She goes there and she sees these people are actually looking out the door to see me pass by, and then they were going to follow me. So I took time. I took like 15 minutes in the Clothing Junction shop. I took like 15 minutes, and then let me cut this. And the bolt came, and as I was running to the bolt, guess what? Baya Puma, they are coming out of the shop, and the man is looking at me, and they are communicating with their eyes. They are talking, and then they point to me inside the car. And then I tell the Uber driver, can you just lock the doors? These people are following me. And now I'm so thankful to the Lord because the Uber driver was also vigilant. We were just dodging, like we didn't use like the route straight ahead because we were trying to see if these cars are following us until I got home. Guys, please be safe. Florida, yo, guys, guys, please be safe. It's no longer safe. When you are walking, just pray for the Spirit of God to just dwell within you so that you can actually discern and see what's going on around you. It's very important. Let me love and leave you out.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Hayibo guys, ganzi kuphi la siphepe khona nangisisi uqoqa indzaba ukuthi khona abantu that were following her, uthi ungena labamlandzela so umangele ukuthi mama, what is happening? Bantu abaningi they did advise lo sis ukuthi maka ku public spaces angawafaki ama headsets inkosi yami because lapho ngilaba kutargetha kahle khona they see ukuthi ayibo ufaka ama headsets siyomlandzela nga notice angasiva ngisho nokusiva so nje maku public space indzaba ama headphones. Hayi cha guys, akaphephi ukuthi wende njalo but bantu abaningi they are glad ukuthi hayi at least sesofika endlini uphephile so uyasho nje ukuthi nalabanye bantu baboqaphela. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.